把我们衣服纽扣护口，那就不用分离。Take our clothes and button them together, and then we won't ever have to separate. That may be true, but wouldn't that make it difficult to do stuff like walk and eat and use the bathroom? No wonder romance doesn't last. It ain't practical. 大家好，欢迎收听唱歌学中文。Hi everybody, welcome to Sing and Learn Chinese. Today's song is 爱你 by Chen Fangyu, that is Love You by Kimberly Chen. This 2012 theme song to Taiwanese drama Fondant Garden has already racked up over 100 million views on YouTube, which is no wonder because not only is the song nice to listen to, the music video story is pretty clever too. But if you've ever wondered what exactly Kimberly is singing about in the song, you need wonder no more. I'm here to help you learn every word in the lyrics. So let's get started. 我闭上眼睛，贴着你心跳呼吸。I close my eyes, sticking to your heartbeat and breathing. 而此刻地球只剩我们而已。And at this moment in the world, only we are left. 你微笑的唇形总勾着我的心。The shape of your smile always hooks my heart. 每一秒初吻，我每一秒都想要吻你。Every second, a first kiss. I just want to kiss you every second. 就这样，爱你，爱你，爱你，随时都要一起。Just like this, love you, love you, love you. I want to be with you always. Or I want to love you, love you, love you, just like this, and be with you always. 随时 means any and every time. So, close enough to always. 我喜欢爱你外套味道，还有你的怀里。I like to love the smell of your coat and your embrace, which is awkward. So, 你的怀里 actually means inside your arms, aka in your embrace. So, I like the smell of your coat and I like being in your embrace. 把我们衣服纽扣护口，那就不用分离。Take our clothes and button them together, and then we won't ever have to separate. That may be true, but wouldn't that make it difficult to do stuff like walk and eat and use the bathroom? No wonder romance doesn't last. It ain't practical. Anywho, 美好爱情我就爱这样贴近，因为你。This beautiful love, I just love to stick close to you because of you. Well, of course, who else would it be? Anyways, 有时没生气，故意闹脾气. So this is the second verse. Sometimes I'm not angry, but I throw a tantrum anyway. Why, you may ask? Well, the next line answers that question. 你的紧张在意让我觉得安心. Your anxious concern makes me feel relieved. 从你某个角度，我总看见自己. From a particular angle of yours, I always see myself. In other words, when I'm looking through your eyes or from your perspective, I can see myself. 到底你懂我，或其实我本来就像你。Is that because you understand me, or actually I was like you from the beginning? This is the question, isn't it? Like Rogers and Hammerstein said, do I love you because you're beautiful, or are you beautiful because I love you? In other words, do we love people who are like us, or do we become more like the people we love? Or both? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, now the chorus comes back in here, and then we've got the bridge, which is 想变成你的氧气，流进你身体里 Want to turn into the oxygen you breathe, flowing into your body. 好好看看在你心里 Take a good look inside your heart. 你有多么宝贝，我爱你 How precious you are, I love you. And then we have the chorus again, and the final line is 我们爱情会一直没有距离最美丽 Our love will forever be this close and be the most lovely. 没有距离 Honestly, this phrase means no distance between us. So, in other words, close. And that's it. We've gone through the entire song. Hope this is a cheery bit of sunlight in these uncertain times. And remember to tell someone you love them. Until we sing again, 再见. And remember to someone...